Good evening. Today we will be exploring the similarities and differences of single-subject research design compared to other types of quantitative research design. The types of research design that we will compare with single-subject include experimental, correlational, and causal comparative design. There are different types of research design, including experimental and non-experimental. Causal comparative and correlational are examples of non-experimental, while single-subject is a type of experimental design. Single-subject research design, also known as single-case experimental research design, is a type of experimental research. Experimental research works to identify a correlation between the independent variable and the dependent variable, which means change to the independent variable will impact the dependent variable. Single-subject design is the most common experimental design that researchers use. When using a single-subject design, researchers focus on an individual to see how manipulation of an independent variable can impact the dependent variable. While there are many types of experimental design, there are also types of non-experimental research designs. Some of these designs include causal comparative and correlational methods. While both single-subject and causal comparative are types of quantitative design, there are differences. Causal comparative identifies differences among groups using an experimental and control group, while single-subject focuses on the individual. Another focus of single-subject is on the cause and effect between variables. Not only is single-subject different from causal, but from correlational as well. Correlational research focuses on how and to what extent variables are related, not how one impacts the other, like single-subject. Some of the other research methods include many participants. However, with single-subject research design, researchers are working with fewer participants, allowing quicker design and execution of their study. While it can be beneficial to have fewer participants, it can also be a negative. By having fewer participants, there is less data with which to compare. Those were just some of the comparisons between single-subject and other research designs. Have a good night.